Here's a quick guide showing you exactly where to find your Save for Later list on Amazon. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. In the top right corner, click on the cart icon. This opens your main shopping cart, where Amazon stores all items you've added. Now simply scroll down. Under your active cart items, you'll see a separate section called Save for Later. This is where Amazon places anything you've saved instead of removing it. You may have tapped Save for Later on accident, or you intentionally saved items you want to buy later. Amazon keeps them neatly organized in this section so they don't disappear. To return something from Save for Later to your main cart, just click Move to Cart. You can do this for one item, or for all items individually. If you no longer want something, click Delete, and it will be removed from your Save for Later list permanently. Keep in mind, items in Save for Later still change in price and may sell out. So, check this list regularly if you're keeping track of deals. And that's where your Amazon Save for Later list is located.